Hi friends, welcome to Foodie Bites. Let's prepare palak mutton. In a pressure cooker, heat the oil and fry the onions till golden brown color. Now add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder and fry it. Add mutton pieces and let it fry for 2 minutes. Wash the spinach and cut it into small pieces and add it into the mutton. And let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add salt and chili powder as per your taste. Add water and close the lid and let it cook on a medium flame for 5 whistles. After cooking for 5 whistles, now the mutton is cooked perfectly. Add coriander powder and stir it. Let the water evaporate and add coriander leaves and dish out to the bowl. Serve it with rice, pulka, roti, pullao. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe Foodie Bites.